Okay, let's get down to business with the rear master cylinder. And this is a 400EX master cylinder because we could not use the 450R master cylinder because it does not bolt on to the 400EX frame. So, let's see what we got. We got the all balls rebuild kit. Let's see what's included. Sticker. Always good to have. Always good to have. And we got a seal. Another seal. We got a new spring. The new boot. The new O-ring for this guy. The new clip. And another new clip. I'm not sure why we have 2 clips. And I have another clip. I'm not sure why we have 3 clips. We're going about ready to find out why we have 3 clips, aren't we? Some crush washers, but we won't be needing those because we have a banjo bolt with brand new crush washers already on it. We'll save those for a rainy day. First off, let's go ahead and put the reservoir connector on. And we got a brand new O-ring for that. So let's put a little bit of brake fluid around here on that. Just put that seal right on in there. Let me take our reservoir connector. Okay, let's tighten that baby on down. Next, let's get our piston and spring ready to go. And our rubber boot. So this boot with the flat top just goes on the end of the spring. And the other goes on the piston, right down here. You want to make sure that the orientation is correct on that. Proper orientation for this O-ring is like this. Oops, I'm sorry. It's like this. So the concave, the smaller end, goes towards the top. Alright. So let's get a little bit of brake fluid on this thing. And let's see if we can't get that thing on there. Which doesn't look like an easy chore, but oh, I had it. Just like that. Alright, I think they gave me so many different circlips is because I got to take my pick and decide which one fits. Maybe this is a universal kit that goes for more than one master cylinder here. So, let's see. I believe we would probably need this big giant one, right? That looks like a winner chicken dinner. These two will be way too small. So, let's give it a test run, shall we? Without my glasses. Okay, let's do that again. Let's give it a test run. Oh, that's definitely it. Okay, so let's lay this out how we're going to actually put it together, and that way we can take care of it step by step. So we can get these out of the way. We will not be using these yet. Obviously this goes here and this goes here. Okay, spring goes in first. Next goes the piston. Make sure that works. That does what it's supposed to do. Next, let's get a little bit of a brake fluid in there. Now let's clip that thing right on in there. Perfect. Motherfucker. So let's get a rag, put down on there. And then it will stop it from sliding around so much. And there you have it. We only chipped the paint once. Next, let's put a little bit of a dielectric grease in here. Okay, now that we have this all taken care of, we can put the Clevis, and we actually have an aftermarket extra spring on here, because used in tandem with the 400EX spring, this will give us a little tighter brakes that we're after. So this goes on here. We can adjust this once we get that on the quad. And same with the Clevis. We'll have to adjust that once we get it on there also. Now we can hook our reservoir up. So we want to take the old clip, and there we have it. There is our finished master cylinder.